Hi, today I'll be showing you guys how to do live blogging. So live blogging is all about publishing a post immediately the event is taking place. So in instance of, for example, in case of football, maybe Manchester United are playing with any other club, you can be doing live blogging. Maybe when they score a goal, you update that to your audience. So let's go through that. So as you can see, this post now is a live blog. One of the things that are common with live blog, you see watch video, then you see a mark, then you see the headline. They always watch video, then you can see video back as any other aqua as for probably 3 chicks officers. Just watch video. So this example of live blogging, and if I open this, I've already opened it in a new tab. These are some of the features. So you see watch videos, then the typo, you see video. This is how it normally comes. And the subheading, you see a subheading. So another interesting thing is the display image. The display image look like a video. So you create your image like this. So it comes with the image of the field, maybe at any point in time. So you can always get this thing online. Then you can add video icon. This video icon, you can download it and add it to your image. So you can get the image on Google, then download this, just do small editing on that. So this is how to, and the posts are normally short. So you can even get the videos on Twitter. So this is another video, this is another post, watch video. You see, this is a live blogging. So this is happening immediately. So when they score a goal, you update your audience immediately. So at least that's 5 minutes after the event have taken place. So another, as you can see, this is also another one. So you see a video, but this is the display image. This is not a video. So this is the actual video. You understand? So if you get actual video, you can just use sniping tool and get this image and make it your display image. If you have the video, you can put the video. And one good thing about this post is that they are normal short. Sometimes 100, 150, 200 posts. So these are examples. Video, go, this one, the square go. So you see, so this is display image getting something like a video. You think that is a video, but it's just a display image. Then this case now, the video actually itself is on Twitter. As I told you, just embed the code on your blog. You just embed the code on your blog. You see the code on your blog. So just small write up. So just embed this on your blog and share. So this kind of this thing don't waste time. What waste time is just get the display image, then get the video. From Twitter or any other place. You can get the video, then just write small something, maybe up to 50 or 100 words, then you publish and share to your audience immediately. When they score another goal, or if there is any other interesting thing that happened that took place on the pitch, immediately they are still playing the ball. Just watch video, go. You can put any exclamation mark or anything. So that's how to do live blogging. So thank you.